So today I'm going to be making earrings based on this. So it's like the happy side octopus. So this is like the happy side, there's nothing on the back, it's just the face on the front, and then you flip it and it's like sad, grumpy octopus. So I've got some polymer clay here, and I'm going to start modelling both of like the octopusi, yeah. So I started off with the sad octopus, and I'm using this like greeny kind of turquoisey colour, and I just shaped a ball for like the head slash like body, I guess. Then I went ahead and made the legs. So I made like 4 like balls, and then I just rolled them out into like these kind of sausage shapes, and then I cut these in half, so basically giving me 8 legs. I'm not really being that neat about this, but kind of getting like that oblong shape that the legs are on the like plushie. Then I kind of like squashed them down as well, just to make the legs like a bit chunkier. Then I went ahead and put them on the body, and I used like my silicone clay tool just to help like make sure it's stuck to the body properly, or like the head going along the top and the bottom. And I did this all the way around, doing like a leg and then going on the opposite side, so it kind of be a bit even. Next I moved on to doing the eyes. So the eyes for the sad face are different to the eyes for the happy face. So the sad face ones are kind of like grumpy looking. It's got like a straight line on the top, and then it was kind of curved on the bottom. So I went ahead and shaped this using my kind of craft knife and also my clay tool. Then I went ahead and added 2 little white bits for kind of like the eye slash reflection bits, I guess. And then I went ahead and placed them onto the head using, again, my silicone tool just to kind of like press it in place. If you don't have any of these tools, I recommend getting these like silicone ones. I use this one all the time. Then I did the kind of sad mouth, so I just rolled out some black clay, kind of like as thin as I could really, and then I used the end of like the ball tool to kind of make the shape, pressing it around and using that also to put it on, and then once again using the silicone tool just to press it on to the head. And for the happy face, I did exactly the same as I did for the sad face, like the head, doing a ball and then like the 8 legs. And the eyes were a little bit different, so as you can see they're like a circle shape, and again using my silicone tool and putting like the white dot on for like the eye reflection thingy. And then doing the same for the mouth as well, rolling out some black clay and using that ball tool just to get the shape. And obviously this time it's a happy face, so putting it on the other way around. So I'm turning these into earrings. So these are like my earring findings, and I push these into like the top center of both of the earrings. You can always make this into a key ring, you know, a backpack charm, anything like that, even just like a decoration, or you can even just leave it as they are and, you know, put them in your room or on your shelf, anything like that. But yeah, I thought they would be really cute as earrings. So yeah, I'm pushing in the earring findings before they go into the oven, and then I bake this according to like the instructions on my packet. So once they had finished baking, I removed the earring findings because these are like completely straight and they don't always hold that well. So yeah, I'm just putting some super glue on them and then pushing this in to the hole that I created before I baked them. And yeah, basically after I'd done that, they were complete. So let me know in the comments if there's any kind of clay models you'd like me to do. I kind of stopped doing clay for a while, but I realised that I enjoy it a lot, so yeah, I'm kind of doing some more clay videos again. So yeah, if there's anything you want me to do, let me know in the comments below. I'd be interested to see your ideas. So here are the final earrings. So I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you did, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye!